How to remove burnt food. Often we have to deal with the sticky situation of burnt food. Cleaning the pots is easier than you think. We'll be using two types of wire sponge, the thick one for the hard work and the thin one to polish. The trick here is to soften the burnt food by heating it up with a little bit of water. So let it boil for just a few minutes. Now here is the tricky part. Be careful not to burn yourself. Pour in a little bit of cold water and start scraping while the pot is still warm. You can see that it's working. So continue doing this until you remove all the burnt food. Once that is done, change to the thin one and polish the inside of the pot. And just like that, your pot will be clean and good to be used again. Follow our channel for more easy tips.